Hello everyone. Thank you for watching Big Nine Wonders. I am here once again with another episode about elephants. My name is Tarsis from Uganda. If it is your first time, of course, I call upon you to subscribe to our channel so that you keep updated of what we post. If you have been watching our videos, we thank you so much and we appreciate. Yes, about elephants, we have 9 facts that we are going to talk about today about elephants. One, we have to talk about the species. What are the species of elephants we have? Mainly, we have 3 species of elephants in the world. We have Asian elephants, we have African forest elephants, and we have African bush elephants, which I will emphasize. I will emphasize this because this is the species that we have in Uganda. Yes, African bush elephants, they are found in eastern and southern part of Africa. Then Asian elephants, we have them in India and Sri Lanka. Then African forest elephants, we can find them in central and western part of Africa. Isn't this amazing? Then point number 2, how do we differentiate them? Normally, elephants, we distinguish them by the size of their ears. African bush elephants and African forest elephants, they have the bigger ears. Normally, they say that they are shaped like African continent. African bush elephants, they are shaped like African map, the map of Africa, as you can see. And also the Asian elephants, they are also shaped like the map of India. So it is amazing. So this is the size and how we can distinguish them. Then now we can talk about the size. Point number 3. Let's talk about the size. How do you how do you distinguish how are the sizes? African bush elephant, of course, is the largest. It is the largest in terms of size. It can even weigh up to 10,000 kilograms. You can imagine 10,000 or 8,000 kilograms. And then the Asian elephants is the second largest, and then followed by African forest elephants. So that is in terms of size. Then because of this size, it also determines the amount of food they have to eat. An elephant, a big one, the biggest, can even consume up to 150 kilograms of food per day. This is amazing. Or and can even consume 40 liters of water. It is so amazing. And then you have to know that because of the size, they can spend most of the time eating. They spend most of the time eating because they can eat up to 120, 150 kilograms. So that's why they have to spend most of the time eating. And of course, because of the size, this size is not only for the grown up, even the young ones. The calf, an elephant calf, is born weighing around 120 kilograms. It is so amazing. Okay, let's go to point number 4. We talk about the trunk. Elephants use their trunks, especially to eat. They use their trunk to swim. They use their trunk to drink water. So this is the one literally they use for survival. Of course, you know that elephants, they are herbivores. They are herbivores, so they eat plant-based food mainly. So this is what I can tell you. Then point number 5, we can talk about the memory. Elephants have a very strong memory. They don't forget. They don't forget, and they can recognize each other even after taking a long time without meeting. They can even keep memories of the grief, and of course, when they are grieving, you can easily observe. You can see, so they have a strong memory. They have a strong memory. And remember, elephants normally they leave their natal homes, especially males at puberty. They have to leave their natal homes. They can move with other males, or they can even move alone. Remember, the elephants live in families. They live in families. They are headed by normally the biggest and the oldest can head the family. So they live in families. Yes, this one put aside. Let's go to point number 6, and we talk about why they flap their ears. Ear flap normally is to control or to normalize body temperature. They use this one to normalize body temperature, like in the hot, when it is hot, like that. Uh, so you also have to remember that they can also use it to call each other. They communicate. They know how to communicate in a way that we humans don't understand. For example, they communicate by vibration. You know, an elephant can communicate with another which is 4 kilometers away, and they have very sensitive hearing sense. The sense of hearing is so active that they can communicate by vibrating even 4 kilometers away. Of course, they can even they use the talk, the way they talk, that we humans cannot even hear, but they know how they communicate. It is also so amazing. Then point number 7, we can talk of why they bathe in the mud. Bathing in the mud normally is to control the ticks and the bugs from attacking them, and also they bathe in the mud to protect their skins from the sun. So it is so amazing. So when you see them dirty, don't think that it is just done accidentally or any other way. It is mainly for survival, just to control against the ticks or bugs or parasites, and also for protection. Then point number 8, we talk of the gestation period. Elephants have the gestation period of 22 months. They take 22 months to give birth, and I have told you before that it gives birth a calf weighing around 120 kilograms. It is so amazing. And remember, in Uganda we have around 5,000 elephants, but worldwide we have more than 410,000 elephants. Then point number 9, and the last one. In Uganda, where can we find them? Where to find them in Uganda? In Uganda, we can find them almost in all of the national parks. We can find them in Queen Elizabeth National Park. We can find elephants in Murchison Falls National Park. We can find elephants in Chidepo Valley National Park. We find them in Semliki National Park, in Mount Elgon National Park, in Ikivale National Park, and Bwindi Penetrable Forest National Park. Yes. So literally, we can find them in almost every national park in Uganda. So when you come to Uganda to see elephants, you can be sure that you can find them almost in every national park that you will visit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed our content. My name is Tarsis once again, and I ask you to keep tuned to our channel so that you watch next content or what we have to post next. Thank you so much once again.